Yesterday we have hit our support level, which was basically the weekly key level, and we have bounced from it more than a 3%, so that was a really nice long opportunity. But we didn't take our naked point of control, which was a little bit below of this wick, and basically tonight we took this naked point of control, also found support from the daily level, and we are already up for 2.5%, so that is really great. We are right now above of our daily open, so daily open was right here, and as you can see, we had wicks into our daily level, and eventually we went up. So right now let's look where we could find support and resistance. First of all, I want to show you the resistance, because the support is the, I guess, juicy and sweet thing today. So yeah, let's look at the resistance. First of all, what is very important is if we go to 30 minutes time frame, you can see that we already had a resistance at the previous D value area low. You can see that it was a perfect SR flip. So we've seen basically a support right here. Once it was broken, we saw a rejection from this level. So that is the current our resistance. And as a confluence, we have Fibonacci taken from this high, not this high, because basically you can take it from there. But do you have any confluence? Not really. Basically, we have a golden pocket at the consolidation zone, so maybe we could see a swing failure pattern of this high. That would be very valid, but I will pull my basically Fibonacci retracement tool from this high because it gives me a more respected level. As you can see, the golden pocket is inside of our previous day value area low, so this is basically a resistance. And also what is very important, if we go basically back into price action at the same level, we can see that right here we have a price action at this level. And what I would like to do is to pull my fixed range tool to see where is the point of control. So we can see that we have also a point of control just below of our previous D value area low. Let's look if we'll take it basically from there. What do we have? Basically the same point of control. So as you can see, this is a really strong point of control. And this is another confluence why we have found resistance at the previous day value area low. So yeah, as we know our resistance, basically let's look at another resistance if we'll break this one. So let's hide this Fibonacci retracement. So another level which is important to me is basically the previous day point of control and previous day value area high right here. So as you can see, we had already a resistance right here, but basically it is still a resistance because we have a naked point of control right here. So that is the very important level, which as you can see, we had found a support right here just yesterday. So that is why I am also expecting resistance from this level today, if not today then tomorrow, or one day basically. So what is the confluence to this level? If we take our Fibonacci retracement tool from this high to the low, you can see that we only have a 0.75 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so let's look if we have another Fibonacci confluence. I took it from the another basically high, and as you can see, we have a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which is basically the Fibonacci on the Fibonacci confluence. It makes a really nice level. So we have already 2 Fibonacci confluences, so that is really great. Let me hide that and show you another confluences. So very basically, as I said, it is the previous day point of control and previous day value area high. And as you can see, it is a level of, it is a zone of resistance of 0.7%. So as you can see, this high is basically our resistance. And what I would look for is basically, that would be really nice to see, is the swing failure pattern of these highs, because people are obviously setting their stop losses above this high, because they see that, okay, price didn't manage to make basically a higher high right here. So this is definitely where I will be setting my stop loss. So yeah, I really expected that would be really nice, I would say, to short right here if we would take out this high. So yeah, that is it for our resistance. And as we know our resistance levels, let's look at the support. So let me hide some things. And drum roll, what we can see is that basically we had this really big range. As you can see, it is ranging for almost 1 month. So that is really great. Very big, large, and profitable range. Very easy to make money. So we had our high. As you know, we shorted right here because we had a swing failure pattern. And we are going down really fast. So the only support level right now is basically the low of the range. So why it is the support for me? First of all, what is very important that if we take our Fibonacci retracement tool again from the low to the high, you can see that we have a golden pocket right at our low of the channel. And yeah, this is a very major confluence to our level. Also, what we have is this daily level. Why this level is interesting for me? Just because, as we saw right here, basically the high wasn't taken. That is also the low wasn't taken. And people are setting their stop losses right here. So again, swing failure pattern would be very nice to see if we would take out these lows and close back inside of our range. This is very important to basically not go straight down, but make a swing failure pattern just like that, close right here, and maybe retest it, and then we would make our low, high, higher low, higher high breaking. That would be maybe a signal to long. So that is a very simple tactic for me. This is what I'm waiting for. And yeah, the low of the Fibonacci and also the daily level, it is a confluence to our level, and that would be a very nice long. And then again, what I would look for is basically the high of the range again, $52,000. So that is really it. I really hope that you liked my technical analysis, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notifications bell, and see you later. Have a brilliant day, everyone. Bye.